this old pirate chest, Mom. It is full of history. Wow! A giant iron ring with ancient star symbols carved on it. Goo-goo! Shiny circle toy. Give the heavy ring to Lily. I look like a real captain now. The metal is very heavy. Uh-oh. The metal is stuck. It is scraping against my skin. My skin feels very tight. The ring will not come off, Mom. Ah!
Do not pull it harder, Lucas. You are making the problem worse.
Whoa! My finger hurts so terribly. The iron ring is biting me.
The trapped blood is creating a dangerous swelling response inside your tissue.
The swelling is getting giant. Am I gonna lose my finger, Mom?
Stop shaking it. Panic makes your heart pump more blood into the swelling.
Lucas is crying. The bad metal circle is hurting my big brother.
We must carry him to the kitchen sink right now. Follow me. Place your hand directly under the freezing stream of cold water, Lucas.
Brrr. The water is ice cold. Why are we freezing my skin?
Cold water makes your blood vessels shrink. It drops the swelling down safely.
Ah! Cold water is like a magic ice pack for the finger.
The swelling drops slightly, but the skin friction is still too high. There's so much tension on the skin, it really hurts.
The metal is glued to my bone. The cold water failed, Mom. Look at my shiny green bottle. The soap has bubble power, Lucas.
Look at Lily. She found the ultimate tool to break the skin friction.
The green soap feels very slippery. Pull the iron ring right now, Mom.
Hold your breath, Lucas. I am going to twist and pull gently. It is moving. The ring is sliding over the purple skin hill.
Hooray! The pirate ring is off. My finger is free and safe. The ring fell down. The green bubble monster saved Big Brother Lucas.
Your skin is perfectly whole, Lucas. No bleeding cuts on your knuckle.
Yeah. My knuckle can bend normally. The throbbing fire feeling is dying away. You are the smartest little rescue captain in this whole wide world. Toby, Lily is a soap captain. No more pirate ring traps for us.
This historical treasure belongs on a secure display shelf, not on fingers.
Okay. Our home exploration team solved a very tight and painful problem today. More soap! More bubbles! Let us make a giant water volcano! Whoa! The foam is rising fast. It is escaping the sink basin.
Oh no! The kitchen floor is turning into a massive winter snow cloud.
Bubble snow! Stomp the white foam with your bare toes, Lucas. Look! My bubble is flying up high toward the ceiling lamplight.
We must clear the foam before the surface gets too slippery, kids.
The soap reduces friction completely. I can slide like an ice skater.
Friction is dead. Sliding fast is the best kitchen game. The floor is dry now. Time for an afternoon energy snack break.
This juice gives my body fresh hydration after the giant bubble war. Let us build a delivery system to carry the locked treasure box. Choo-choo! The train engine is strong. It can carry heavy weight. The treasure is secure. Start the battery motor engine right now, Lily. Careful. If the train moves too fast, centrifugal force will flip it. What is centrifugal force, Lucas? Is it a hidden train monster?
It is an outward pull. Spinning objects want to fly away from center.
See, the outward pull flipped the wheels. Science is completely real, Lily. The train needs a slow velocity layout next time, Captain Lucas.
This bridge will balance the gravity weight distribution for the heavy car.
Success! Our cargo train delivered the pirate gold to the sofa station. Oh no! Ugh. The key fell deep into the dark gap space wall. My fingers cannot touch it. The key is lost in the dark. Use the red magnet iron, Lucas. It can pull hidden objects fast. I am lowering the magnet fishing line down into the sofa dark. Mommy, how can a red stone pull a key without touching it?
Magnets create an invisible magnetic field. It pulls iron and steel items.
I hear a connection. Ha! The invisible magnetic field captured the steel key. Hooray! The magnet fish caught the prize. Look at it stick, Lily.
Invisible power is awesome. Magnet fishing is the best garage game, Mom. Now the pirate ring is locked forever behind a safe steel boundary. Look at the sunny floor, kids. I have a new glass tool.
Wow! Rainbow colors on the wall. Red, yellow, blue, and purple lamps. Mom, where did those beautiful colors come from? The glass is clear. That's a good question.
White light contains all colors. The glass prism bends them at different angles.
Ah! Refraction splits the white sunbeam into its secret hidden rainbow. I am holding the purple refraction beam in my palm, Captain Lucas.
This picture will hold a very happy place on our living wall.
The rainbow is moving away because the Earth is spinning fast now. The kitchen table is clean, and the sun is going down slowly.
The sun is completely gone. Time to turn on bedroom nightlights.
Let us start the grand midnight shadow puppet parade show, Lily. Look! A giant black bird is flying across the wallpaper layout, Mom. Why did the bear shadow turn so giant when close to lamp? Mom, how does a tiny toy create a shadow bigger than Dad?
Close objects block more light rays. That creates a massive magnification effect.
Ah. Moving away lets more light rays escape, so shadow shrinks down. Roar! I am the giant magnification shadow monster of this house world. Warm milk makes the big shadow monsters go to sleep fast. My finger is completely healed up. The skin looks perfect tonight, Mom.
The pirate ring is secure, and our home is full of safe peace.
Your green soap bottle idea saved your big brother from big pain.
Good night to the smallest rescue captain who knows how to destroy skim friction.
A small family emergency can teach a whole world of science love.
Look, Mom! The framed family rescue photo looks beautiful on wall. There is the green bubble monster. There is Big Brother Lucas. Wow, you spotted it.
Eat your breakfast food, children. We have a beautiful day ahead.
The attic is locked, but the whole wide world is open today. The wheels are sliding fast. No friction blocks my tiny racing car.
You two are the greatest treasures inside this whole wide house world.
I am going to write a complete story about the ring trap. I will draw the green bubbles on your story paper, Lucas.
True family teamwork can open any locked metal or difficult door boundary.